So I just fell a Maoli wreck up here, and it's just so cool looking. I wanted to grab the camera and show this thing off. Another record size rack. Just unreal. Alright, so this is the beauty right here. Did my little hinge cut. Came down pretty good for the amount of weight in this thing. Look at this thing. Here's my tape measure. Right? For you who know tape measures, that's ridiculous. Look at that. Look at that. That's one banana. Look at my hand. These things are enormous.
Oh, wait. No, stay there. Let me get a picture.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Let me get a picture of me with
unbelievable.
These things too.
Yeah, here we're gonna try and pull the tape out. Alright, so really the girth of the banana, about 8 inches. Now the sun comes out. Yeah, 8-inch nanner, maybe 9. And then, you know, good long fruit stems, almost a 2-inch fruit stems. Okay, look at this saw. I gotta get the saw.
This will be hilarious perspective with me sitting next to it.
Yeah, here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a big rack of bananas, to say the least. I don't even know how you'd carry that out of the woods. Holy cow. Oh look, this one's split too. Mm-hmm. They get really hydrated and split out. So let's see. Oh, that one's split too. Oh, a few of them had split already.
All the rain we've been getting.
Yep. A split and a split. That's almost a popo-ulu-like behavior. These are a really weird Maoli. They're big, fat, ridiculous things. They definitely have the Maoli-shaped rack, that tapering to a smaller banana at the bottom. And not too overly floppy up here.
Look at that one!
The double banana is ridiculous. That's just ridiculous.
What? I've never even seen that before. That is insane.
Alright, so not only is that, let's see, a 9-inch banana, we're talking, what is that, 3 inches wide, 3.5 inches wide, just from that side. Look at that thing. I think it's basically a double banana that somehow just, you know,
became one. Like, are there 2 bananas inside?
Yeah, like, is there a seam that never happened? But now these things would make a porn star blush. These things are enormous. Fat rack. Not even sure exactly what they are. I think these are the ones that came out of our valley, right? Maybe, or maybe Hanakops or someplace. Kind of lost the parent. But either way, that's probably a 100-pound rack of bananas. Let's be real. There we go. So top to bottom, 32 inches. Let's say a width of what, 2 feet? Yeah, 2-foot width. Unreal. I got size 13 feet.